Welcome. Presenting OWL, an innovative tracking system designed by Engineea for collecting, storing and sharing cold storage data. Can you imagine being able to trace and control the temperature and humidity of your entire inventory in real time? Well, imagine no more. This is OWL. OWL is a temperature and humidity logger that is focused on 4 main market needs: maintenance for industrial refrigeration companies, pharmacies with a legal need to track temperature, food industry process control within factories, and real estate energy efficiency control within their properties. The OWL system combines smartphones that listen to the Snitch and send the information to the cloud for monitoring through our web portal. But let's go step by step. The Snitch is a Bluetooth low-energy device created by Engineea that measures temperature and humidity. It is capable of storing more than 2 years' worth of data, thanks to its efficient battery and durable design. Each Snitch is detected by a smartphone with our app, or by a fixed device called a gateway, which then sends the information to the cloud. Once the data has reached the cloud, it is analysed, classified and made available to you through our web portal. But it is not just that. OWL also sends you alerts in real time if the cold chain is broken at any point. This allows for immediate solutions and eliminates merchandise loss and damage. It also generates complete reports with personalised temperature and humidity records in accordance with your business needs or local regulation. You'll be able to download data from the sensors to your smartphone and send it to the cloud in a matter of seconds. That data is then made available to you for whenever you may need it. OWL's easy installation and maintenance, low cost and long-lasting battery make it the most complete solution in the industry.